Hey friends, if the option to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is grayed out on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the driver list for the one for which the option is grayed out. Right click on it, select properties. Now in my case it's not grayed out, but still go to the details tab, click on property, scroll down and select the option for driver key. Okay, this is the driver key. Now take a note of this. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, system, current control set, control and class in the left pane and hit enter. Now try to match this key. It's E0CBF. Scroll down, it's all in alphabetical order. So I'll scroll down to E0CBF and compare the last four letters as well. This is the right one. Now in the right pane, search for this key named PNP capabilities. If not, right click, new, dword 32-bit value, PNP capabilities. Double click on it, change the value to 1, hit enter, restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.